Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only. The dispenser is designed to take HE liquid or powdered detergent and fabric softener. It is important to use only high-efficiency detergents. The package is marked HE or high efficiency. HE detergents are made to produce the right amount of suds for the best performance. Low water washing creates excessive sudsing with a regular non-HE detergent. Using regular detergent in HE washers results in longer cycle times and reduced rinsing performance. It may also result in component failures and noticeable mold or mildew. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to determine the amount of detergent to use. Add a measured amount of HE detergent into the detergent tray. This tray holds 3 ounces or 89 milliliters. Do not overfill the tray. Adding too much may cause the detergent to be dispensed into the washer too early. Pour a measured amount of liquid fabric softener into the tray. Always follow the manufacturer's directions for the correct amount of fabric softener based on your load size. Do not dilute the fabric softener or overfill the dispenser. Overfilling the dispenser causes the fabric softener to immediately dispense into the washer. Close the dispenser drawer. Select the fabric softener option. This option must be selected to ensure proper distribution at the correct time in the cycle. If the extra rinse option is selected, fabric softener is dispensed into the last rinse. It is normal for a small amount of water to remain in the dispenser at the end of a cycle. The bleach dispenser is gravity forced. Bleach poured into this dispenser runs down the outer tub to the bottom of the washer to mix with the water prior to touching your clothes. Do not overfill, dilute, or use more than 1 cup, or 250 milliliters. Do not use color-safe bleach or oxy products in the same cycle with liquid chlorine bleach. Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product, or available online at www.maytag.com.